Welcome back to the channel Autoland 2025. Today we're taking a closer look at the Hero Honda Pleasure 100, a name that's been trusted by many riders over the years. Known for its stylish design, lightweight build, and fuel efficiency, the Pleasure 100 continues to be a favorite, especially among young riders and city commuters. In this video, we'll explore its design, engine performance, features, mileage, and why it might just be the perfect scooter for you in 2025. Let's start with the overall design. The Hero Honda Pleasure 100 maintains its iconic look while getting subtle upgrades to appeal to the modern rider. It has a sleek and compact frame that's perfect for navigating through tight city traffic. The scooter is available in multiple vibrant color options, making it a great choice for those who want something stylish and trendy. The graphics are youthful, and the body panels are designed to give it a sporty feel without going overboard. Now moving on to the engine. The Pleasure 100 comes equipped with a reliable 100cc single-cylinder, air-cooled engine that delivers smooth and consistent performance. This engine is tuned to give you a balance between power and fuel economy, making it ideal for everyday use. Whether you're commuting to college, work, or just running errands around town, the Pleasure 100 offers enough power for a comfortable and stress-free ride. The automatic CVT transmission ensures ease of use, especially in stop-and-go traffic, which is a big plus for beginner riders. When it comes to ride comfort, the Pleasure 100 has you covered. The seat is wide and well-cushioned, offering good comfort even on longer rides. The seating position is upright and ergonomic, which reduces fatigue. The front suspension uses a bottom link with a spring-loaded hydraulic damper, while the rear gets a unit swing with a spring-loaded hydraulic damper as well. Together, these make for a smooth ride over bumpy roads and potholes. The scooter features 10-inch wheels with tubeless tires, giving you added confidence in case of minor punctures. Braking duties are handled by drum brakes on both the front and rear, which are adequate for city use. The integrated braking system, IBS, further improves safety by distributing braking force between the front and rear wheels for better stability during sudden stops. Now let's talk about features. While the Hero Honda Pleasure 100 keeps things simple and practical, it does come with some thoughtful touches. You get a spacious under-seat storage compartment that's big enough to hold a small helmet or a bag. There's also a front storage pocket to keep small items handy, and a luggage hook for added convenience. The scooter comes with an electric start option along with a kick start, so you're covered in any situation. The analog speedometer is basic but clear, and the switches are easy to use. One of the biggest selling points of the Pleasure 100 is its excellent mileage. You can expect an average fuel efficiency of around 60 to 65 kilometers per liter under normal riding conditions. This makes it a cost-effective option for daily use, especially with rising fuel prices. The fuel tank has a capacity of around 5 liters, giving you a decent range before you need to refuel. In terms of maintenance, the Pleasure 100 is known for being reliable and affordable to service. Spare parts are easily available, and Hero Honda's wide service network ensures you won't have to travel far for regular checkups or repairs. This makes it an excellent choice for budget-conscious riders who want a worry-free ownership experience. For those looking for a practical, stylish, and fuel-efficient scooter in 2025, the Hero Honda Pleasure 100 still holds its ground. It may not have the high-tech features or aggressive styling of some newer models, but it offers tried and tested reliability, low running costs, and an easy riding experience that's hard to beat. Whether you're a first-time rider or someone looking for a reliable second scooter for your family, the Pleasure 100 is worth considering. It delivers exactly what it promises: pleasure in every ride. Thanks for watching today's video on Autoland 2025. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more updates and reviews on the latest bikes and scooters. Until next time, ride safe and I'll see you in the next video.